Hey there, let me tell you a story I've heard from so many coaches, healers, and heart-led women stepping into their purpose. It usually starts like this. You feel called to help people deeply. You know you are intuitive, insightful, and meant to guide others. But when it comes to how to turn that calling into something real, something structured, sustainable, and aligned, you are not quite sure where to begin. And that's okay, because we are not meant to do this alone. That's why I want to personally invite you to something truly special. The Intuitive Life Coaching Method. Coaching with soul and strategy starts here. A free 7-day life experience with me, Katya Dmitrieva, founder of the Intuitive Life Coaching Academy. From August 18 to August 24, live on Zoom, Monday through Friday at 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, Saturday from 9 to 10 a.m. Pacific Time, and in those 7 days together, we will walk through the real path of becoming a coach, one rooted in both intuition and structure, soul and strategy. You will reconnect with your why, release the fears that hold you back, learn the foundations of powerful coaching, and discover how to blend your unique energy with proven tools that create real transformation. This is more than a workshop. It's a doorway. It's a doorway into the version of you who doesn't wait to feel ready. They lead with heart, with voice, with grounded confidence. You will experience daily life trainings and coaching demonstrations, interactive exercises, and printable workbook. The full Intuitive Life Coaching Method as a free downloadable guide. A supportive space to grow alongside other aspiring coaches. The clarity and courage to finally say, I'm ready. Even if you are never coached a single person, this space is for you. Even if your path has felt unclear, this week will light the way. So if you are ready to rise, to remember your gifts, and to begin building a soul-aligned practice rooted in real strategy, join us. Save your spot now at ILCATE.com/events. Let this be your beginning, your moment, your yes. We will meet you inside. Thank you very much, and see you later, alligators.